Once again, we find ourselves in Parma Heights, Ohio, where I just recently am closing on a deal 3 minutes down the street for over $200,000. But don't worry, this little ranch is under $150,000. This is such a prime location because you're super close to Parma Mall, all the freeways, as well as Bryant and Stratton College, Tri-C. So if you're looking for your next investment opportunity that you want to use as a real great cash flowing rental, this may be for you, or you can just move right in. Thanks for checking out our Parma Heights listing. Schedule your showing today before this one sells.